Good day everyone, especially to you Miss Moira. My name is Lady Jean Ismata from BSA 2E. I am reading my speech about how water, pH, and buffer influence agricultural practices. Farming is one of the most important activities in our world because it provides food for people. However, successful farming does not just depend on planting seeds. It's also required to understand the role of water, soil pH, and buffer. These three factors affect how well plants grow, how much food can be harvested, and how healthy the soil remains over time. By learning about these elements, farmers can improve their crops and make farming more sustainable. Water is essential for all living things, and plants need it to grow, absorb nutrients, and stay healthy. However, the quality and availability of water can significantly affect agricultural success. Contaminated or hard water can hinder nutrients absorption, leading to stunted growth and lower yield. Moreover, excessive irrigation can cause soil erosion and nutrients depletion, emphasizing the needs for efficient water management strategy such as drip irrigation, and rainwater harvesting. Soil pH determines the availability of essential nutrients for plant growth. A pH that is too acidic or below 6.0 or too alkaline above 7.5 can hinder nutrients absorption, leading to deficiencies that affect crop health. Example, acidic soil often lack calcium and magnesium, while alkaline soil may have excess sodium, making it difficult for plants to thrive. Farmers used lime to raise soil pH and sulfur to lower it, ensuring optimal condition for plant development. Buffer help keeps pH levels stable so that soil and water do not become too acidic or too alkaline. This is important because sudden change in pH can make it difficult for plants to get the nutrients they need. Buffers are often used in fertilizer and irrigation system to make sure that the plant receive water and nutrients at the right pH level. When the soil has good buffering capacity, it can resist sudden pH change, making it easier for plant to grow properly. In addition, water, pH, and buffer are all connected and play a big role in farming. Water helps plant grow, but it needs to manage and ensuring adequate hydration and nutrient transport, while maintaining the right pH level, enhance soil fertility. Buffer, on the other hand, help stabilize pH variation by understanding and managing these factors. Farmers can improve crops, reduce environmental damage, and contribute to global food security.